Did this painting come to life? Is this Photoshop or the magic of Halloween? We have a special guest in our kitchen. A spider! You won't scare me. I have a lethal slipper ready to go. Now! It attacked me! Help! Jessica lost this battle, but she gave the blue-eyed girl an interesting idea for a photo shoot. How about making an intimidating crown? Glue the legs of toy ants together. Attach them to a wire circle. Coat them with black acrylic paint and add details with silver acrylic paint. Cut a rubber spider in half. Attach stud earring backs and color it with black and silver paint. A crown and earrings made out of ants and spiders? Perfect for Halloween! The blue-eyed girl is the lord of the bugs. Let's invite Death to our photo shoot. Or just a friend in a black cloak. Set up a bar stool. Lie down on it. Stretch out your legs and cover the leg of the stool with the bottom of your dress. It's like the blue-eyed girl is hovering in the air. The Grim Reaper came to take her soul. A bride from the other side is a perfect Halloween costume idea, but we can make her dress even better. Let's add some hands. Put a flashlight under the dress and have your friends move their hands under the dress from the sides. Ooh, that looks so scary. This is what happens when a seance goes wrong. Is there something yummy to eat? Oh my goodness, it's moving! Let's see. Very funny! Draw a circle the size of a head on a sheet of cardboard. Cut it out. Color the cardboard with black acrylic paint. Paint white veins. Make it look like marble. Attach a white ring of foam paper along the outside of the cut. Make it look like a plate. Cover it with a lid. My friend's head has too many calories. It turns out that this is a great photo shoot opportunity. Let's take some pics. Cool! Post my head on Facebook. A classic photo idea is a pic of a carved pumpkin. But that's so boring. Everybody takes pictures like this, but the blue-eyed girl will add some special effects. Carefully put a smoke bomb into a carved pumpkin. Whoa! This jack-o'-lantern breathes smoke. But it looks great. These photos are fire. Vampires need to brush their teeth too. My friend has a great Halloween costume. We need to take a picture. Regular selfies are boring. Let's take a photo with a mirror. Turn on panorama mode and take a picture of the vampire biting the victim. Then move the camera to the mirror. The vampire leaves the shot and only the victim has a reflection. Of course, since vampires don't show up in mirrors. What a great trick, Dracula! It looks eerily realistic. My leg is itchy. My third leg. I turned into a centipede this Halloween. I just asked my friend to loan me a couple of legs for a photo shoot. Not bad. Don't forget to drag your friend out from behind your back. Great photos! But now the blue-eyed girl's legs are asleep. Something creepy is happening in this house. Well, duh, today is Halloween. What's going on? Ghosts again? Or witches throwing a party? Let's see. So spooky! A bat! Calm down, it's just a mask. Trace a bat mask template on sparkly foam paper. Cut it out. Glue on a ribbon. No demons here, it's just the blue-eyed girl having a scary photo shoot. She gathered the best bats ever for her backdrop. Draw a bat on thick black paper. Cut it out. Paint eyes with acrylic paint. Make a few different bats. I'm the queen of the bats, and I'm surrounded by my victims. Black and white balloons. Look at their cute faces. Hey, Batman, don't fall. But the photos really are cool. You look great as a bat. Scaring a friend with spiders is a prank as old as Halloween itself. But having a photo shoot with spiders is more interesting. Attach rubber spiders to your leg using double-sided tape and ask your friend to take a photo from underneath. Ew! I'm being attacked by spiders! But the photos turned out very realistic. Do you want to be inside a living painting? Then you need a frame on a tree and a guy to hold you up. Hang up the frame near the tree. And your friend holds you up in the air. Look, I'm flying! It looks like a painting that came to life. A mysterious portrait of a ghostly lady. What a scary movie! But this is a great idea for a photo. Let's use the shadow of your hand on the wall. Help! I'm being chased by monsters! It's like a shadow theater. You can film your own horror movie. Cat eyes are an unusual photo filter. Should we try it? Cover a hula hoop with black acrylic paint. Cut ping pong balls in half and paint them. Make a gradient. Paint a long pupil. Make it look like a cat eye. Cover the hoop with a fake spider web and glue on the eyes. What a spooky photo shoot! Thank goodness these eyes are fake! On a dark and stormy night, in a very dark house, someone turned off the lights. Ah! I guess I'll have to find some candles. This candelabra from Dracula's castle will be perfect. Color a candelabra with black acrylic paint. Add some accents using a mostly dry brush and gold acrylic paint. Attach a spider web and rubber spiders on top. Add black candles. Let there be light! This candelabra is black as night and perfect for Halloween. It's very photogenic too. My friend is taking mystical photos. Add some terrifying, mysterious vibes, Jessica. After all, this is Halloween. We'll need a vintage dress for this unusual idea and a smoke bomb. Put the bomb in the ground and light it. Make sure the wick burns. After that, you can cover the bomb with the dress, and colorful smoke comes out from under the dress. Our model is so beautiful! A ghost from the Victorian era! What an unusual sight! And the photos are really weird and really cool! The girls are decorating their room for Halloween. More spider webs! We need mice. We should put them in the web. No, let's put them on our friend's head. Cover rubber mice with silver acrylic paint and hot glue them onto bobby pins. Mouse bobby pins? Very unique. Now let's take a mouse selfie. Say cheese and look scared. Great photos! Hashtag mouse attack. A pumpkin is perfect for a photo shoot, but we won't carve this one. Draw a silly face on the pumpkin. The stem will be the nose. Don't forget a smile. Now let's hold the pumpkin in front of our faces. These pictures are so funny. The blue-eyed girl decided to change her hair. She needs to brush her wig. Boo! Is it a Cyclops? Cut blue and black circles out of cardboard. Glue them together to make an eye. Add details to the iris. Color a ball with white spray paint. Attach the cardboard iris. Define veins with red acrylic paint. Put the wig on the ball. Style the hair with a bow. Meet the blue-eyed boy. He's my new best friend, but he doesn't talk a lot. Perfect for a photo shoot. Don't blink. Look right at the camera. It's obvious that the blue-eyed girl's third eye is open. An idea for an unusual photo shoot is jellyfish hunting. Anything is possible on Halloween. There are fake jellyfish hanging on the trees, and the blue-eyed girl is holding a net. These jellyfish came out of their underwater kingdom to celebrate Halloween, so let's catch them. These unusual photos are perfect for mysterious Halloween. Did you like our Halloween-themed photo hacks? Then comment below about what kind of photo shoot you'll have this Halloween. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss any unusual photo hacks from Troom.